Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this tortilla with zucchini and cheese. This is a simple recipe that you could do in just 5 minutes. Follow my channel and you'll get more recipes. First, you have to chop the zucchini. Then you add some salt and you mix it and leave it for 10 minutes. After, you can chop the pretzel. $50 of cheese that you have to mince really easy. When the 10 minutes are passed, you want to get away of the water, so you use your hand and a spoon to take out all the water. When you're done, you add the parsley and an egg and the pepper and salt, and you mix it. After mixing, you add some flour and half of the cheese, and you mix it again. When you're done mixing, you add it to the hot pan with olive oil, and you place it that way so it looks like a tortilla. And on top, some cheese that you had left. Then you close the pan and let it steam. After it's done, you put it in a plate and you can serve it already. The result is fluffy and amazing, so tasty. I really recommend this recipe. If you like this recipe, please tell me in the commentaries what recipes should I do more, and follow me so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thank you for watching.